Hello, welcome to the We Are Searching YouTube channel.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a phone number on Facebook app.
First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with 3 lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Go to the settings option from the list.
Tap on the personal information option. Then tap on the contact info option. Here you can see 2 options in this section. To add your phone number, tap on the Add Phone Number option. Type your phone number that you want to add in the blank marked with red. After that, tap on Continue button. Thus, the process of adding phone number will be completed.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.